Do you like egg omelets? How about apple pancakes? Well, you should definitely try our apple German pancakes. Now these pancakes are egg-based, they use almond flour, and they have a cinnamon apple topping. Also, these pancakes have a unique look and taste about them than your typical breakfast that you may be accustomed to. We think it's going to be a great breakfast addition to your morning. I'm Chris, and you're watching Eat Well, Live Well, where we take international and traditional food and drinks and transform them into healthier versions. Now make sure you stick around to the end to discover more of our amazing healthy recipes. Now this German-based breakfast of fruit and protein together isn't going to make itself. So let's get started.